Hey guys, it's Jamie here, my indicator, the binary destroyer. I wanted to make a quick video just talking about letting the trades come to you and not forcing them. I just loaded up my charts and I missed this beauty of a trade just here. I would have got in, okay, if I zoom out, we can see this is using the bend strategy. Okay, I've got the arrows off. And we can see we want to be taking trades in this zone here, and we had a nice signal arrow appear here. Okay, I would have got in a little bit earlier. I would have waited for the price to close above our moving average, so I actually would have got in a candle earlier than the arrow. You can see the arrow would have popped there, but I would have got in here, and that would have been a nice 15-minute trade, would have been a winner. The RSI also confirmed the market was oversold as well, so it was a good trade and I absolutely missed it, so I'm gutted on that. But at the minute I've got my eyes on GPUSD. The price, okay, is in that buy zone. It's in this zone here where I want to be taking trades. Okay, so that's good. That's our first confirmation. Now I'm looking at the RSI. The RSI is oversold quite a lot. Okay, so that is good. Now I need two more rules to happen. I need this price to close above this moving average, because we can see when the price is above it, it's an uptrend. When the price is below it, it's a downtrend. So I need a confirmation that the trend is turning, that we're now going into an uptrend. We can see at this point here, can you see how the RSI is just crossed? Now that's good, but it's not a confirmation, because the price might bounce straight off this moving average. Can you see, if you zoom in, can you see how we went down, 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 price came up, bounced off the moving average, dropped down again. So we might see the same happening here. I need the price to close above it. Now I also would like a signal arrow to appear. That is what I would advise all my students to say, is wait for a signal arrow. But I'm using a bit of price action here and I'm explaining to you as it's happening live, you know, what I'm looking for in this trade. So at the minute, okay, we currently have two confirmations. The RSI is oversold and we are in this zone here. I just need the price to close above that moving average and I'm getting into a nice trade. So I've got my new chart, GPUSD, and I'm going to go for 15-minute trade. I'm going to go for I'm going for 200. Let's do it. I've actually had a really good week with my personal trading, really good. So hopefully this can end my week off, because I don't really trade Fridays. So so this will be my last trading day for the week. At the minute though, there's no other setups that I like. Let me get rid of that. There's no other setups that I like at the minute. We can see that everything is currently, that's a downtrend. So that's nothing, you know, I'm nothing interested in that. Again, price is kind of going sideways there. I'm not interested in that. And USD JPY again, nowhere. Look at the lines. There's no real movement there. So the only real trade at the minute that I'm interested in is GPUSD. And I like this a lot. We can see we're going into an uptrend. Can you see this? If I zoom out, can you see the uptrend? Market trends up, pulls back, trends up, pulls back. So hopefully in the next couple of minutes this price closes above. Here we go. So we're now on this line here. So I'm interested to see what happens at this point. Can you see how it's rejecting off it now? The RSI is still oversold, which is good. Okay, that's a good confirmation. But this is what I was saying earlier, how it's now rejecting off the EMA. So we need to wait for it to close above the EMA. That would have been a nice signal arrow. Look at this one, nice signal arrow, drop down there. So we'll see what happens at this point here. So when this candle closes, it looks like we're closing below it. So again, we have no confirmation, and this is what I want to teach my students. Well, I've been preaching it this week, saying that you got to let the trades come to you. I just posted in the group now saying that if you wait for the market to be overbought or oversold, you're more likely to win your trades than if you never looked at it. The BD 5.0 comes with the RSI standard, so use it. Take trades when the market is overbought or sold. Here's a perfect example. Look, market overbought here. Signal arrow appears, it wins. Okay, you'll get a higher probability of winning trades with the market overbought or oversold. If you don't look at the RSI, then you have a less chance. And in trading, it's all about having a probability of winning. You can never guarantee it. We just need a probability of winning. So at the minute, the price is not doing a lot. It's kind of stuck here. 1 minute to go. What I'll do is, it might be a couple of minutes before the price actually does anything. Here we go. Now we've now popped above the moving average. That's interesting. But again, I'm not looking for it to pop above it. I'm looking for it to close above it. Okay, I'll give you an example. Here's an example here. Look, price closed below the moving average, it starts heading down. Now if I zoom in, can you see this? We're now fighting still. I might, no confirmation yet. Now we've closed above the moving average. Can you see that now? We're now above it. Now I'm interested to see what this candle does. If this candle stays above this moving average, I'm now in a trade. So this is our candle here, and this will decide everything. And it's good that I'm doing this now, this video, because I'm actually showing you guys about letting the trades come to you. I'm not forcing trades. I'm literally sitting here and I'm watching what the market's doing. I'm letting it make its move. Here we go. We're now closing above it. So 10 seconds ago, I'll get into a trade. Our phone's going off, and I'm in. So I'm now in a trade. We're in, okay? We're in a 15-minute trade. Now, this is good, okay? I should have waited for a signal arrow. I'm not saying that, okay? I would recommend all my students to wait for a signal arrow. But, like I said, I am showing you guys what I see in the market as it happens, okay? And why I got into this trade. So we can see now it's going nice into money. What I'll do, guys, is I'm not going to sit here for 15 minutes just mumbling on about rubbish. I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Well, I'll come back in 14 minutes, okay? And hopefully this is a winner. What I'll do, okay, is I'll zoom out like this, and I'll put this side by side, and I'll pause the video and come back. Hey guys, quick update. So I've got 3 minutes to go, and you can see it's a nice winner. It went deeply into the money, but now the market is pulling back, but it's good. Okay, we now have the price above the moving average. Okay, we did actually have a signal arrow as well. I wouldn't have took the signal arrow though, because look at the RSI at the time, the market was overbought. So theoretically you would be taking a trade when the market was overbought. You'd be taking a buy trade when the market was already overbought. But you could have took that trade if you wanted to. Obviously I would have got in a little bit earlier. So currently 2 minutes ago, the price is dropping now. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll pause the video, come back, and hopefully this is a winner. Okay guys, so we're into the last 30 seconds and we can see the price. We can see that the trade is going to be a nice winner. You can see the price has started to go against us, but this is why I got into a 15-minute trade, because I seem to find that 15-minute trades at the minute, I've been absolutely killing it with it. So as soon as this comes in, I would have actually hit 4 figures this week in profits, so not bad really for 4 days worth of trading. Just wait for that to come in. 3, 2, 1, and that's it done. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there, guys. If you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.